Heating, ventilation and air conditioning systems are probably the greatest consumer of energy in your business, therefore you need to make sure that they are operating efficiently. We specialize in designing, installing and maintaining heating, ventilation and air conditioning systems for industrial and commercial premises, and we are one of the leading commercial HVAC contractors in the UK. Our resources and attention to detail have secured us repeat clients from almost every sector. Regardless of how reliable your HVAC system is, it will not stay that way without regular attention and maintenance. You can't do without heating, ventilation or air conditioning for long, and that's why we are quick to respond. All of our HVAC services are based on our principles of reliability, quality, safety and value and include the following: air conditioning installation and maintenance, ventilation and ductwork installation, refrigeration installation and maintenance, heating and cooling coil replacements and much more. We offer competitive rates compared to other HVAC contractors in our field. Feel free to conduct your own research and we are confident that you will make us your ideal choice for your next project. We directly recruit a skilled team of in-house HVAC technicians who are highly experienced and fully certified. We will always work with you to minimize disruptions and if required, we can install, maintain and repair your heating, ventilation and air conditioning systems out of hours. At MBMS, we pride ourselves in being an industry leader, enabling us to tackle even the most complex of projects. With the capability to take on almost any client requirement, you can trust us to install the latest equipment and technologies, to deliver your project on time and on budget. We know how challenging it can be to find a reliable HVAC technician. To make the selection process easier for you, we quote transparently so you understand exactly what you are getting. We hate surprises just like you and we understand that your HVAC project will involve the careful budgeting of your finances. Want to know more about our range of affordable heating, ventilation and air conditioning services? Then why not contact our team today? Call 01529 297117 right now.